Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can change the language on Snapchat. If you use Android, this is very easy. All you need to do is click on the gear icon, select the language option, and change the language. On the iPhone, the situation is somewhat different. In order to change the language on the iPhone, we must change the language of our device. To do that, we will go to Settings. In the search bar, type Language and Region and open the first option. Here we are offered a large number of options related to changing the language and region on our device. However, the one we need is Add Language. We click. A list of languages that we can use will open here. When we select the language we want and click on it, the device will ask us if we want to use that language as the primary option on our device. All we need to do is to select the language in the list that appeared, and that's it. Now our language is changing, and therefore also the language on our Snapchat. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.